Hey, nerd.
Yes.
We need to find the terrorist Klaus. He stole a bunch of nuclear weapons and now he's gonna blow up the United States unless I find him. Do your little nerd magic and find him.
Well, you can't really just find someone on the internet, you know. He's an international terrorist. He probably hit... says here on Facebook, 123 fake address is Klaus's, abode.
That's magic, alright. I can believe you completely tricked me into thinking that you showered in the past 3 months. You smell like a dead rat. Now why don't you take your little smelly self with your little glasses and your nerdy time and get out of my face.
Thank you for that. That's encouraging and delightful. I appreciate it.
Thank you, huh?
Yeah. What do you want now?
I want to know what the announcements are.
Membership manuals are on the stage. CDs can be purchased in the back for $3, and publications for $6.50 as well.
Thanks, nerd.
I would challenge anyone to come here and try and break into this fortress, this citadel of mightiness that we have created. I mean, look at you. You're huge. I would challenge anyone, even the great Steven Seagal, to come here and try and penetrate this barrier, this fortress, this wall that we are, be it muscle, skill, or weaponry. Hey, you snuck up on me right there. I wasn't expecting it. You must be someone of great skill. What would you call yourself? By what name do you identify your person?
The name's Seagal. Steven Seagal.
Whoa, Seagal. I heard some things about you not good. I heard you're good, a little too good for your own good, but that doesn't matter. You're still not getting through this wall. Look at him. He's huge.
Listen up, Mario and Luigi. I need to find Klaus.
He thinks he's gonna see Klaus.
Enough talk, Mario. Let's do this.
Whoa, please continue. Klaus is downstairs. Don't go too fast though. He's as shifty as a mouse. Whoa.
Ah, Klaus, I found you. I see you've been working out. You've lost some weight.
Actually, I've gained. Arrgh! You're the one that's fat! With your stupid ponytail and your dumb jacket and your dumb boots and your stupid karate or pony, whatever, I don't even know what you call it.
I'm sorry you feel that way. I see that we're at an unfair advantage.
That hurt my back. That hurt my back. Ow. Well, you can't pick me up? I told you I'm getting late.
It's time for you, Pirate Man, to go down.
I'll kill you, Steven Seagal.
I'm not gonna shoot you.
I'll kill
it's time
you,
to be
Steven
pistol
Seagal.
whipped.